Hi guys, this is Ron from the Sales and Service Academy here in Vinnenden. Before you begin your training, I just wanted to give you a short introduction to the Webex software and see some of the tools that you can use to interact with the training. At the top left here, you'll see a row of different tools. You have your pointer, you have your text, you have a line tool, shape tool, a writing tool, colors, and an eraser. Beginning with the pointer, the trainer may call upon you to select your pointer and interact with something on the screen. For example, can you please point to the word welcome? So in order to do this, I just go ahead and click on my pointer. Now you can see it turns into a pointer, and I'll come over here to welcome, a single click, and automatically you'll see my pointer with my name in it, indicating, of course, who is pointing at what. If I want to change position, just point, click into a new place, and it moves automatically. Okay, now to remove your pointer, you come to the eraser here, select the drop down, and there will be the option clear my pointer. And away it goes. The text is the same thing. If I want to apply text to the screen, I'll click on the T, I'll get my cursor, and now I can write. And also to remove this, we come back to the eraser, and in this case we choose clear my annotations. And boom, it's gone. We also have a line tool, a shape tool, a freehand writing tool. For example, if you're asked to freehand, you can do something like that. Change the color if you like. Again, drop down, clear my annotations, and away it goes. Okay, on the right over here, we've got two different panels. We have a participants panel and we have a chat panel. Let's talk about the chat panel. Down here at the bottom, you have the ability to chat with certain people with the training. You have a host, presenter, the host and the presenter, and all attendees. So that means if I choose all attendees and I type in the box, test, and I send it, again, all attendees are going to see what you wrote, including what they call the panelists here, which was the host and the presenter. If you just want the host to see it, you select host, you type it in here, test, send, and only the host will see it. And of course, with host and presenter, you can send it just to them as well. Now, what else can you do? You have here the participants box. Let's look at this real quick. You have the panelists, which is in most cases going to be a host and a presenter, or it could be the same person. In this case, you can see here it says me, my name, and host. And then I have this here, what's called the ball. That means I'm also the presenter. But many times you'll see two names here. One with host, one will have the presenter role. Okay, the next thing is here in our toolbox here, we have some options to interact with the presenter. First and foremost, if you have a question, right here in the left, you can see we have a raise hand button. Click the raise hand button and you'll see by your name that there is your hand is raised. At some point, the presenter should stop, call upon you, and ask you what your question is. Now, when he asks you what your question is, he will enable your microphone. How do I know my microphone is enabled? You can see right now it's red, and I have a red X right here. That means it is disabled. We keep all of the microphones disabled to cut down on the massive amount of noise we would have. So when the presenter calls on you, because your hand is raised, he will click off your microphone. And now at this point, you will be able to ask your question directly to the presenter for everybody to hear. And again, when you're done, he will mute you and move along. Also, to remove your raised hand, you can click it again and it will go away. Now, there may be times when the trainer has a group question and he says, does everybody understand this term? Yes or no? How you say yes? You have a green check mark here. You click it and you see up here you get a green check mark indicating that you are saying yes. If the answer is no, you can tick here and you get the red X saying, no, I don't understand. And in this case, maybe the trainer will come to you and talk to you directly, or he'll answer you in chat, or somehow the trainer will interact with you. And again, to remove it, click it again. The next two buttons are a go slower button. If the trainer is speaking too fast and you would please ask him to slow down, just click on this button. You'll see the same symbol. If he needs to speed up, you click it and this tells the trainer, okay, let's get moving. And then finally we have some emoticons. So for example here, satisfied. You click, you get satisfied emoticon, click it again, and again it goes away. So that was just a quick tutorial on how you will be asked to interact during the training. So I hope you have a nice training and we will see you very soon.